every single word you're about to see came from you. So this video was not planned. The piece that I'm about to create was not meant to exist. So a while ago, I asked you guys in one of my videos to give me one word going into 2026. And I thought I'd get a few responses, a few repeats, but what I got was quite unexpected. I didn't just get words, I got intentions. I got vulnerability, I got strength, I got hope. As I was reading through all of those words and comments, I realized how much power the words held and how all of these words are a collective intention for us for the new year. So I want to encapsulate all of these into one art piece. So it all starts with a mold, and I very intentionally chose this arc shape because this piece isn't planned in a traditional sense. It's symbolic, it's intentional, and it's just trust the process and letting this piece become what it needs to be. So the obvious next step is mixing some resin, and I'm using Jade Diction Official's resin for this piece, who are the official sponsors of today's video as well as the video that sparked this piece. I've kept some resin clear and I've tinted some with some white mica, and right now I'm not trying to define anything. I just want to create a base, sort of a background for everything that's about to come. Of course, it needs a bit of glitter, a little sparkle, and these glitter flecks are you. These are those little moments in the comments, the encouragement, the kindness, the things that make content creating and being on YouTube feel worth it. I also decided to add a few acrylic crystals because I love the way they catch the light and how they disperse it through the piece. So they add like little moments frozen in place. And once that's done, I leave this layer to cure. Okay, so now that we have a base, I feel like we can start layering up our words, which is honestly the most beautiful part of this project. I have them right here because these are not just random words. I mean, they are all of the words from you guys, your intentions for 2026. So I wanted someone from the community to actually do these for me. So thank you, Alicia from Crafty Coven, for doing these so quickly and efficiently for me. And it's time now to start placing these in. Now there is a bit of a method to the madness, so let me tell you my thoughts on that. So this is where the method comes in. When I asked all of you for one word going into 2026, I didn't just get a list, I got patterns. I mean, some words appeared once, some repeated, and some echoed again and again. So I have laid out and divided those words. Instead of treating every single word the same, we are going to layer them. The words that were mentioned the most are the ones that clearly resonated across so many of you. So those are going to sit at the top of this piece. They are loudest intentions, but this is the base layer. So I'm starting with the quieter words. Mind you, these are not less important. They're just deeper. So this is the background of the piece where they will live, and they're just going to live deep and hold everything together. Once I lay these out intuitively, I'm going back with some more crystals, another layer. It's all about building depth. I want all of these words to stay visible in the final piece, even the ones that sit deep. And as I'm building the layers with these words, I'm repeating some of the same steps, but layer by layer, this piece starts to feel less like something I'm making and more like something we're quietly building together. And somewhere between all of those layers came the perfect moment for Sky to make his appearance. He is so grateful for all of the love that you guys show him in the comments, and he obviously wants to remind you to like, comment, and sub. He definitely reads all of the comments. This is the final set of words, the ones that echoed the loudest. They sit on the final layer, and we seal all of this in. And because this is YouTube, it is time to unmold. The mold itself was just from Amazon. It actually came with these acrylic supports, which I was low-key quite impressed with, and I will link it in the description for you guys. Now, unmolding something this size is always a bit of struggle, but once it came out, it's straight in with the deburring tool to smooth out any sharp edges. And of course, it wouldn't be one of my pieces if I didn't embellish it with a few crystals. And honestly, a piece like this is just asking for more sparkle. So I place some around, and I'm adding a touch of this glitter UV resin from Jadiction, a little gold, a little light, even a little hint of a gold edge, just to carry us into the new year. And I think I'm about to show you how it all turned out. This is what it became. Layers of intention suspended in time. Every word is still visible, some bold, some quieter, but all held together. And the light, it moves through it differently from every angle. The deeper words feel grounded. The ones on the surface feel like they're reaching forward. The crystals are catching the light. Gold glows softly around the edge. It feels less like an object and more like a moment. A doorway into 2026 built by all of us together. This piece belongs to you. Every word came from a real person, from a real moment. I don't know what 2026 is going to bring for us, but when I look at this, I see hope, I see peace, I see abundance, I see so many things thanks to you. Thank you for trusting me with your words. Thank you for sharing parts of you with me, and thank you for being the community that turns a simple question into something so meaningful. I hope you've enjoyed this one. I have truly enjoyed making this piece. I'll see you in the next one. If you've enjoyed this video, YouTube thinks you will like these too, so go check them out.